Hari ini kita akan belajar percakapan bahasa Inggris tentang the food tastes great. Makanannya enak. Welcome to Siska Fiorence's channel. Speak English, why not? How do you like the food? How do you like the food? Suka nggak makanannya? How do you like the food? It tastes really great. Did you cook it? It tastes really great. Did you cook it? Rasanya enak. Apakah kamu yang memasaknya? It tastes really great. Did you cook it? Yes, I made it this afternoon. Would you like some more? Yes, I made it this afternoon. Would you like some more? Ya, saya membuatnya sore ini. Mau nambah nggak? Yes, I made it this afternoon. Would you like some more? Okay, just a little though. I'm really full. Okay, just a little though. I'm really full. Okay, tapi dikit aja. Saya kenyang banget. Okay, just a little though. I'm really full. Oh, would you like some soup instead? Oh, would you like some soup instead? Oh, apakah kamu mau supnya aja? Oh, would you like some soup instead? What kind is it? What kind is it? Jenis sup apa itu? What kind is it? Tomato and rice. Have you ever had that before? Tomato and rice. Have you ever had that before? Tomat dan nasi. Udah pernah cobain belum? Tomato and rice. Have you ever had that before? No, this is my first time. How does it taste? No, this is my first time. How does it taste? Belum, ini pertama kalinya. Bagaimana rasanya? No, this is my first time. How does it taste? It's good. Try it. What do you think? It's good. Try it. What do you think? Rasanya enak. Cobain aja. Bagaimana menurutmu? It's good. Try it. What do you think? Wow, it is good. Did you make that also? Wow, it is good. Did you make that also? Wow, enak banget. Apakah kamu juga yang membuatnya? Wow, it is good. Did you make that also? Yes, yes, yeah. You're a really good cook. You're a really good cook. Kamu pintar masak. You are a really good cook. Thanks. Next time I'll make chicken soup for us. Thanks. Next time I'll make chicken soup for us. Terima kasih. Lain kali aku akan buatin sup ayam untuk kita. Thanks. Next time I'll make chicken soup for us. That sounds good. Did you study cooking in school? That sounds good. Did you study cooking in school? Boleh juga. Apakah kamu pernah belajar memasak di sekolah? That sounds good. Did you study cooking in school? No, I learned by myself. I have a good cookbook that I read when I have time. No, I learned by myself. I have a good cookbook that I read when I have time. Tidak, saya belajar sendiri. Saya punya buku masak yang bagus yang saya baca ketika lagi punya waktu luang. No, I learned by myself. I have a good cookbook that I read when I have time. Okay, that's it everyone. Now let's practice. I will be A and you will be B. How do you like the food?
Yes, I made it this afternoon. Would you like some more?
Oh, would you like some soup instead? Tomato and rice. Have you ever heard that before? It's good. Try it. What do you think? Yes. Thanks. Next time I'll make chicken soup for us. No, I learned by myself. I have a good cookbook that I read when I have time. Great job, everyone. Now let's take turn. You will be A and I will be B. It tastes really great. Did you cook it? Okay, just a little though. I'm really full. What kind is it? No, this is my first time. How does it taste? Wow, it is good. Did you make that also? You are a really good cook. That sounds good. Did you study cooking in school? Okay, this is the end of our video today. I hope everybody always have spirit to learn English so that your speaking skill will improve soon. See you on the next video. Bye bye.
Subscribe for more.